Hi there. In this video, we will go over the Account tab, which is located in the Admin tab in the Store module. There you will be able to update various store settings. The first step is to access the tab. In order to do so, take the following steps. First, open your left navigation menu. Click on the Store menu option. Then choose the Admin option. You will be asked to provide your admin security code. Click the Account tab. In the open page, we will see the account configuration possibilities. This is divided into several tabs. The first tab, which is called Account, allows you to edit various details for your store, such as address, contact, and website information. The next tab is called Store and allows you to be more flexible with your store settings. The third tab allows you to set up default settings for the shipping. The fourth tab gives you the ability to set everything regarding payments. The next tab is called Online and allows you to set up online chat and adjust online purchases settings. The Social Media tab gives you the opportunity to set up the links for your social media accounts. The last tab is called Documents and gives you the ability to populate all needed footers on your invoices, memos, etc. That's it for the overview of the Account tab. Thanks for watching.